stopwatch. Now here's what I've done. There's a wee young in here, right to go. But here's what I've done. I've already secured next year's All Bird team. That's what this is. Here's what I've done here, see? There's a lot of pigeons in here. See that? See that? No, that's next year's All Bird team. Because see all these wee young birds in here? There's 10 all cooks here. And I've just put through 17 young birds right out the stock loft, right into here. So now there's 27 young birds in here, well 27 birds in here altogether. There you go, eh? Leave it Jerry, because I've just put them through. Come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on in. Come on. There you go, just need them all settled down, pick a box. They'll all go frightening do or anything, but aye, come on in, come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Come on in, come on. I've just put them through probably just no long ago, there about 20 minutes ago or something like that, so they're just in here. But this is it, you see what I mean? It's a whole team of young birds in here. Well, I say young birds, but they'll be yearlings now, eh? These pigeons here. So that's it, they'll all be yearlings next year, every one of them. Except for they'll be 2-year-olds, sorry. These ones with the white rings on them. So there you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, I'm just going to let these wee youngins, I mean all these ones in here with red markers on them, they're all babies. I've just put them, well I've just took some of them out the racing loft and put them in here, and I thought to myself, come on, because they were all bred a wee bit later than the other ones that are been there, so I thought, because there's no point in racing them. So I thought, come on, here's a good idea, to put these ones in here for the stock loft, right in here. So that's what all these young birds are, they're all off the stock pigeons, every one of them. You be young and fine. Ha ha ha, come on in, there you go, find your box for you. There you go, come on in, come on in, come on. Come on in. So that's that. I've got 6 hens been there next door, so we'll see how many of these young birds turn out to be hens. Because I know there's already 10 all cooks in here. 6 hens next door, so that's 16, 17, there you go, 23. And there's still 4 young birds in the stock loft to come in here. So that's it. So yeah, there you go. Next year's All Bird team. No fancies that can do that. But they're off at Tamacloud stock pigeons. So they're off it. Right guys, so catch us all on the next video. Cheery cheery.